Hello students, next question of this exercise, question number 6. A medicine capsule is in the shape of cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. The length of the entire capsule is 14 mm and diameter of this capsule is 5 mm given, and we have to find its total surface area of this capsule. Yes students, if you look at this figure, what will we have in this figure? There is a cylindrical part. This is our cylindrical part of this capsule, and also we have two hemispherical parts. These are two hemispherical parts. Okay, so total surface area of capsule, that would be equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of two hemispheres, right? For finding area or surface area of capsule, we can see there is a one cylindrical part and two hemispherical part. Okay. Now look at the dimensions. What will be the radius? What will the radius for the hemispherical part or cylindrical part? Diameter is given, which is equal to 5 mm. So radius will be 5/2 mm. Right? For this hemisphere also, radius will be 5/2 millimeter. Okay, then what will be the height of cylindrical part? 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2. 5/2 plus 5/2 will be 5, and 14 minus 5 will be 9 millimeter. Okay, so height of cylinder is 9, and radius for both hemisphere and cylinder is 5/2 millimeter. Okay, now for cylinder, diameter is given, which is equal to 5 mm. Therefore, we can calculate its radius, that would be equal to 5/2 mm. Right? Now, height of cylindrical part will be, that would be equal to total height of the capsule minus 2 into radius of hemisphere. Right? दोनों की hemisphere की radius minus करनी है, and then we will get the height for the cylinder. That would be equal to 14 minus 5, which is 9 millimeter. Okay, so curved surface area of cylinder, that would be equal to 2 pi r h, and for hemisphere, r is 5/2 and curved surface area is 2 pi r square. Now we will find total surface area of capsule. Let's substitute the values here. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h, and what is the curved surface area of two hemispheres? Curved surface area of one hemisphere is 2 pi r square. For 2, we multiply by 2. Okay. Now we can take 2 pi r common. Then h is left here from this term, and 2r from this term. Okay, let's substitute the values of r and h. 2 into pi is 22/7. Radius is 5/2. Height of cylinder is 9 plus 2 into radius 5/2. Okay. Now 2 is cancelled out here also. If you calculate it, we will get here 220 millimeter square. So therefore total surface area of capsule is 220 millimeter square. That we have to find. Yes, students, next question, question number 7. Read statement from your books. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and diameter of the cylindrical part are given, 2.1 meter and 4 meter, okay, respectively, and the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter. Find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Also find the cost of canvas of the tent at the rate of 500 per meter square. Note that the base of tent will not be covered with the canvas. What is given? A cone is mounted on a cylinder. Cone is mounted on a cylindrical part. What are the dimensions? Diameter of the cylinder is given, height of cylinder given, and slant height of the cone is given. Okay, now we have to find its curved surface area, actually total surface area of this canvas. Area of canvas used, that would be equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone. Okay, now let's discuss their dimensions. For cylinder, diameter is given, diameter is 4 meter. Therefore radius, that would be equal to 2 meter, and height is given 2.1 meter. So curved surface area of cylinder will be 2 pi r h. All dimensions are given. Now for cone, diameter is same for both cylinder as well as for cone. Diameter is 4, therefore radius is 2 meter. Okay, and slant height is given, that's equal to 2.8 meter. And curved surface area of cone, that will be equal to pi r l. All dimensions are given. Now let's substitute the values here. What is curved surface area of cylinder? 2 pi r h, and curved surface area of cone is pi r l. Substitute values of r, l and h. You can take r and pi common, then it will be like this, 2h plus l. Okay, r is 2, pi is 22 by 7, 2 into height 2.1 plus slant height is 2.8. If you calculate it, you will get area of canvas that used will be equal to 44 meter square. Now we have to find its cost. Cost of 1 meter square canvas, what is it? Rupees 500. This is given to us, and cost of 44 meter canvas used is equal to 44 into 500. That would be equal to rupees 22,000. Okay, this is our total cost of canvas used. Okay, we have to find cylindrical part of curved surface area of cylindrical part and curved surface area of conical part. And after that we have to find its cost. Yes children, next question, question number 8. Read statement from your books. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of the same height and same diameter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. A solid cylinder is given to us and a conical cavity is hollowed out from the cylinder. Means only this part is left. Okay. This part is hollowed out. ये हमने बाहर इसमें से निकाल दिया, conical part खाली करके. Now students, look at the figure and tell me what will be the surface area of remaining solid. Okay. What will be the surface area of remaining solid? Yes, you can see here this area. What is this? This is actually curved surface area of cylinder, and area of base of cylinder that would also be left. Okay. And this area, what is this? Which area is this? This is curved surface area of a cone. So area of remaining solid, that would be equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus area of base of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone, right? Is it clear? This equation is, I hope this equation is clear to you now. Curved surface area of cylinder and area of base and this part. This is curved surface area of cone. Now let's talk about dimensions. Height of cylinder and height of cone are same. That is given now, which is equal to 2.4, and height of diameter of cone or diameter of cylinder also equal, that's equal to 1.4 centimeter. Let's write their dimensions here. For cylinder, diameter is 1.4 centimeter, therefore radius is equal to 1.4 upon 2 centimeter. Height is given, that's equal to 2.4 centimeter. And what will be the curved surface area of cylinder? 2 pi RH, and area of base of cylinder, that will be equal to pi r square. Right? This is about cylinder. And now for cone. For cone, radius is 1.4 upon 2, that is same centimeter, and height is 2.4 centimeter, and curved surface area of cone will be equal to pi RL. Now you can see for finding curved surface area of cone we require L, mean slant height of the cone, means we have to find the value of slant height here. L square, we will use that relation. L square is equal to R square plus H square. R is 1.4 upon 2 whole square plus height is 2.4 upon 2 whole square. Not upon 2. Height is only 2.4. That will be equal to 0.7 square plus 2.4 square. 7 whole square is 49 and 0 whole square will be 0.49, and 24 whole square is 576 and 2.54 ka 5.6. Now it will be, if we add them, we will get 6.25. Okay, that's equal to L square. Now from here L is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Okay, 2.5 centimeter. Now we can find the area of remaining solid. Area of remaining solid, that will be equal to chord surface area of cylinder 2 pi RH, area of base pi r square plus area of cone. So chord surface area of cone. Pi we can take it common, r also, pi r common, that then it will be 2h plus r plus L. Okay, now substitute all the values here. 22 by 7, radius is 0.7, 2 into h, h is 2.4 plus radius again 0.7 plus slant height is 2.5. If you calculate 8, you will get 17.60 centimeters square. And what we have to tell? We have to tell the surface area of remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square, right? So we can write, therefore total surface area of remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square is 17.60 के nearest centimeter क्या होगा? 18 centimeter square, right? 18. राउंड ऑफ कर देंगे इसका, हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा? 18. This is our final answer. Now student, last question of this exercise. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of solid cylinder. ये हेमिस्फेयर स्कूप आउट किए गए, निकाला गया है इनको स्फेरिकल फॉर्म में, जैसे हम आइसक्रीम स्कूप होते हैं निकालते हैं बेटा, सिलेंड्रिकल ब्रिक में से अगर आइसक्रीम स्कूप निकालोगे तो ऐसे ही निकलेंगे, ऐसे ही ये हेमिस्फेरिकल स्कूप पार्ट निकाला गया है वुडन आर्टिकल में से, फ्रॉम द टॉप एंड ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द बॉटम. And if the height of cylinder is 10 centimeter and its base radius is 3.5, find the total surface area of the article. Now look at the figure. Height is given, radius is given. Radius is same for both, for hemisphere as well as for cylinder. Okay. Now कौन सा एरिया आपको दिख रहा है स्टूडेंट्स? सरफेस एरिया क्या हो जाएगा इस आर्टिकल का? कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर प्लस दिस एरिया. Which area is this? This is curved surface area of hemisphere. Also this area. This is also curved surface area of hemisphere. So total surface area of article, that would be equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere, of two hemispheres. Okay. Now let's discuss about their dimensions. For cylinder, radius is 3.5 centimeter, height is 10 centimeter, and CSA will be 2 pi RH. All dimensions are given. Now for hemisphere, radius is 3.5 centimeter and CSA for hemisphere will be, obviously it is 2 pi r square, also radius is given. Now substitute the value here. So total surface area of article, that would be equal to 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH and curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. But there are two hemispheres, means we have to multiply by 2. Okay. Now, what is the common name both the terms? It is 2 pi r. So h plus 2r will be left in the bracket. Now substitute all the values here. Pi is 22 by 7, radius is 3.5 and height is 10. Okay. Now it is 7 5s are 35, 5 2s are 10, 2 so 2 cancelled out. Here also 3.5 by 10, 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are 10, 2 so 2 cancelled out. Now it will be 22 into 10 plus 7, right? It will be 22 into 17. If you multiply it, that would be equal to 374 centimeter square. Therefore, total surface area of an article is 374 centimeters square. This is our final answer, right?